Welcome to Nasdaq session here. So we are finally selling off. It's very simple to see that the market still not want to break 500. That's a great sign if you want to short it. But you just see that it went up to 450, got rejected, and then sold back to 235. So I'm predicting it's gonna come back. We have break below, so I'm starting opening a short position here. I'm gonna target 60 points. I'm not saying I'm gonna be right about this one here, but I opened a short position. Let's see if this is gonna sell off. Once we are breaking below 300, I'll move my stop loss to break even. So I went short, very simple, because of one simple thing. We went below. It could come back to potentially 450. So I'm just short term moving my stop loss back to the EMA range, so I don't get a fake out and get stopped out around 45 or 50, because it could push back and it could get rejected. Once we start selling below 300, I'll move stop loss to 320 or maybe break even. Let's see. Currently short, still in full lighter position compared to what I'm usually doing. But let's see here. We look at the DAX here. You can also see we get some selling pressure from highs of 900. Did I just get stopped out? I still think it's a fake out. I'm gonna move my stop loss again here. I like to add to the short position. So I'm thinking about adding here. Take it all the way back. This is 20% position, so 100% is 50. This is a 20% position, okay? So I'm in for lighter. I'm risking almost nothing. I'm risking under 0.3%, and I've been moving stop loss quite a lot. So remember to always look at my contract size. So if your max is 10 MNQ or 10 contracts, that's 100% for you. Then once I'm doing 50, that's 100%, but when I'm doing 10, that's 20%. So then you should do 2, because this account soon come up to 100K. So just remember, this is a light position. If you are in for a heavier position, you need to either cut losses now or set a stop loss that's pretty tight, so you don't blow your whole account or you don't risk too much. I'm risking under 0.5%, okay? Just so you know. First position is not really risky to me. It's very low risk setup. It's a very quick setup. Let's see if this is finally gonna sell off. And yeah, so very low risk first setup here. Yes, I will add more to it and I will go in heavier with maybe 50% or 75%. So just always have in mind that if I go in with 10, 20, 30, it's not that heavy. Heavy is like if I do 100 or 50, okay? So just have that in mind. Again, very low risk to me personally. But again, it's okay to me to have low risk. Let's see if we're gonna break below. Considering exit this one here for break even. I just exit for break even. I just want to see if this is actually going to sell off or if this is going to turn around. It looks like it's going to sell off back to 120 or back to 200. I'll open another short here, so and then short again here. Let's see if it's going to dump now. It could potentially push back. That's why I exit my first position and I just called it. So let's see here if it's going to sell off. I will exit again at 312. There's no really progress. Again, it's not risky. I'm in the very light size, so you're informed, okay? So please size down, lower your risk. I do a pretty light position, okay? We're gonna have news coming in, guys, here at 4 p.m. So we're gonna have news in about 18 minutes. Again, I wanna let you know, I'm trading with low risk today. I'm trading below size, okay? This is a 20% position, okay? So if it goes up 20 points, I could potentially move my stop loss to 100 points, and that's only 20 points, 100%. So if you're 100% position and you're risking 400, whatever, I don't know what you're risking, but remember, the 10 here, I could do 100 here, okay? If I want. So this is my normal position size, just so we don't, if I put in 10 again here, just don't put in too much size. It's not 100% position, okay? I just want to inform you, okay? I just want to inform you. What's going on with these charts here? DAX is tricky. Thinking about shorting DAX here. To me, it looks very weak. I'll do short position on DAX. Let's see if US tech is also selling off. We don't have to short DAX, we can just focus on NASDAQ. It's not that we have to trade DAX, it's just if there's an opportunity that NASDAQ is really selling off and DAX is pushing up, then yeah, I like to take a short. Preparing myself for another light position here on the NASDAQ. So if we get back to 350, I'll short it again. This time I'll do 40% position, 50% position. This is 50%. Again, there's really no risk to take. There's no reason to take all risk. So I'll do a 20% position. I could always add to it. I'll try to target 60 points here at least, or even more. But right now it's just, let's see, break below 325 short, okay? So keeping it very simple, this is the strategy, this is what you should be doing, this is what I'm personally doing. So break above here, long, break below here, short, okay? So break below 308, we're gonna short the market. Been doing 2 trades, very low risk trades. Got nothing, got a little bit, but really nothing. DAX is selling off, DAX is showing weak signs. DAX also went below the EMA. It went first up, this was in the morning session, we traded together. It went first up, it break below, it'll break above 800, then it went to 900 almost, and now it's kind of like tricky. This could push back to here, and this could start rallying. Again, we have to pay attention to the NASDAQ, so if NASDAQ starts selling off, and DAX is not doing that, then there is a difference and we could potentially short the DAX market. Right here we see no progress, really below. I could consider taking a quick short, placing a stop loss at, yeah, I'm thinking about taking a short here at 50, placing a stop loss of 69, so that's going to be 70. I'll do a quick short here, might be a quick scalp. Let's see here, no progress, close it again. I'll re-enter here soon if we can see some progress below. I'll go in for another short here. I'm shorting the market. Let's see here, risking 20 points, target 60 points. Let's see here, could also turn around now. No progress. Looks like it's gonna push back now. There is no progress below. Moving stop loss a little bit here. So this is tricky. It could turn around, but it could also sell off. Let's see. Germany is pushing now. No progress at all. It could turn around here to the downside, but it could also start pushing up. Moving stop loss to 63. Counting to 20. Just have to sell off, else I'm gonna be out. There's no reason to risk if there's no progress. It looks weak to me, but it's not really coming down as we expected. It's more pointing up. This is a strong candle coming in here. Could potentially turn around here. Let's see. How's Wall Street doing? So Wall Street sold off, no progress above. It's pointing. I think I'm gonna get stopped out on Nasdaq. Nope. Okay. I'll exit now this short here for no progress at 35. I was expecting it to sell off quicker back to 300. It did not, so I'm mitigating and managing my risk and just cutting the position. No really progress so far. I am gonna be ready to take another position here. But again, be careful, it could come all the way back to here. There is no really progress below the opening lows and the opening highs. This is where we opened, we sold off, we consolidated, we sold off, we went back, got rejected, sold off, no progress below 300, trying to come right back up again, and they want to push everyone out. So it's a long sign if they're going to push it above 67. So 67, it could be a long signal, okay? So this might be a long signal. But again, it could also turn around, so there could also be a potential short signal. I'm gonna go for a long position if we break above the EMA. Looks like it could turn around here, but it could of course also start selling off. We don't know yet. It's not giving us the confirmation. That's why I'm just saying we're gonna wait for it to either hold here, start selling below the lows and get confirmation. So no really break above opening highs, no really break below. Could potentially like to take another short here. I'll go in for a short here, currently trading at 51. It's a light position, guys, okay? Let's see. There's no progress. No progress is very bad for a short position. That means it's going to be stronger. So might see a push now. It's pretty strong, but no really confirmation. I'll exit here at 44. Tough day to be short, to be long. There's no progress. It's just tricky. It's just trying to take many traders out. But again, I'm in very light, so it's not really doing anything. Still waiting for that big break below or break above. So this is kind of like break even for me. I think I'm up a couple of hundred or something like that. But yeah, I haven't been taking any major trades, any big positions, any breakout, not been holding anything because I'm not super sure where the market is going to go. There is no break below, there's no break above. It could go up, it could go down. Right now it just looks like it's going to go up, and it's actually holding above 340 and holding above 330 and above 325. So it's a strong sign. I could consider actually going for another long position here. I think I'm going to go for a long. Thinking about buying Nasdaq here and then have a tight stop loss at maybe 15 points. Tricky. It's not doing anything. And DAX is not doing anything either. It went down, then it's pushing up now. It looks like it's getting rejected here at around 700, so that could be some selling pressure coming into the market here. It's tricky. No progress. Gonna go for a quick long here. I'm buying it here. It's a risky play. It might just be a quick scalp. I'll exit again at 50. Just an exit at 50. Yeah, very slow day. I know. Pretty annoying that there's nothing going on in the market. As you can see, it's just not doing anything. So you might not be trading and just wait for it to pick a direction. And yeah, just been moving sideways, but you could see here we're holding and we're pushing up, but no really progress after 15 minutes. So you know why this is doing like this? Is to take everyone out and to manipulate the market and to make people confused and to get people in, right? Because there's gonna be news in like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and then they could manipulate this market to get a lot of shorters in, and then they're pushing it and then they're dumping it again. So remember, the reason why there's nothing like really going on today is because we're first going to have news in about 4 minutes. So of course I'll wait for that to see where the market is going to go. Again, it could be very risky. They could try to manipulate it down, and then the news is going to come in, and then everything is going to turn around. Okay, so we're going to go with the trend. We're going to focus on the break above, break below. Here on DAX we have a break above. We have change of patterns. First it's selling off, it came back, but not above. It's sold off, it's consolidating, and now we're showing some awesome progress. Okay, so it's because they're waiting for news. I could potentially look like to go long here. I think I'm gonna buy it here, guys. It's currently trading at 40, 47, 45. So I'm buying it here. I'm placing my stop loss at the lower week here. Could like to exit this one here. Let's exit just for fun. So I'm doing a lot of scalping here in and out, but again, it's very low risk. I'm in with very low contracts, so very low exposure. Okay, just so you are aware and you are informed. Okay, so when I go along here, there's a support here. My stop loss is here. It's not really risky. It's not really going to do anything bad to the account. I mean, not when I'm in with 10. I make 20 points, 10 points. It's like, it's not really, there's nothing really going on. I mean, it's not really risky because the market is just moving sideways and like doing nothing because there's going to be news coming out. Again, DAX is pushing. Wall Street is also pushing here. US 500, so S&P 500 is also pushing above EMA. Considering doing a little long position here. So if we can come back to 38 Answer the stop loss at 23. I'll take a long. Let's see, I think it's gonna push up now. So I'm gonna get ready for taking a long at 350. But again, it could really sell below to 308, so I'm gonna have a tight stop loss here. I'm gonna go for a long here. Having my stop loss at the previous lows here. This could be a quick scalp before news. Could also get stopped out. Let's see if it's gonna push up now, or if it's gonna sell below. Just exit again for no profit, just to see if there was a push. The reason why I did this was once I went in, if it just stopped here at 350 and it just pushed to 380, then we could exit again. So I'm doing nothing right now. Yeah, you can exit as well if you want. Yeah, no progress really. News coming in about 2 minutes. That could push the market, so be careful holding short or holding long. They just pushed it. Looks like it could turn around here around 4. News coming in about a minute. Thinking about going long again here. Let's see, I think he's gonna sell back to, manipulate it back to 300. Long above, short below, okay, so you're aware. So we have the game plan, everything is in place. I'm still doing a lighter position until I'm pretty sure what's going on. Remember, we have news today. Market is not doing really much. News is about to come in here. Wow, big selling pressure. I'm thinking about going short. It depends on the news. I want to check the news. It's going to come. That was worse than expected, so that's going to be negative for the market. Once we're going to break below 300, I'll do short. So that was as we expected. So I think market should sell off here. Let's see here if I can go over for a short. I'll do a short position here. It's a risky play. Let's see here. I might get stopped out on this one here. Let's see if it's going to sell below or if it's going to push right back up. Strong. I'll exit this one here at 30. 29, no progress really. We got news, but why the market is not moving? What? So I was actually expecting much more volatility, but this is just not good. I think I'm gonna target a short back to lows of 120. So we have a strong support at 300. No, I'm gonna stick to my principles. I'm very bullish above 500 for Nasdaq. I'm very bearish below 307 because we didn't manage to get any really progress above, any progress really below. I'm just gonna stay cash and call it a weekend. Why? So I think the risk is too big for me to trade when there's no progress. Push here, um, push, kind of like push. It's very tricky. It's very tricky. Could also be a potential it's gonna be tough. There is progress. A short-term trade could be something like this. So if we're gonna break above here, 20 points, 60 points, let's see here. But it's not doing anything. Progress above, long, back to the highs for today. It's very risky because the market is doing nothing. Wow. Doing a 50% position if I soon can get some progress, but I've been getting no progress, so I shouldn't probably not be trading. Let's see if it's gonna break above now. Break above 75 is a strong sign for the market to go long, okay? Tight stop loss, might take profit, let's see here. But again, it could also be a good short position. So push above, but no really confirmation. I'm thinking about going for a quick long. Buying it here. It's a quick setup here. I could get stopped out. It's a little bit risky one, this one here. Let's see. I think it could turn around, but now it looks very negative. Wow. I did not expect this. I'm gonna add to it here. No progress at all. I'll exit that one I just opened. It's very tough today. It's very tough today, guys. Like it's actually not easy because the market is not giving us any progress, either up or down. It looks like it's gonna come and get the lows here. I have exited that position for a loss of $30, so nothing. It's not really risky today. I can also just say that because it's not doing anything. So you could also exit your longs if you went long with me. This is insane. There's no progress at all. No progress above, no progress below. So I can let you know if I do a trade with targeting 60 points or even targeting like more right now. You can exit your longs. I'm not going to do more trades. This is too risky for me. If it breaks above 425, I consider doing a long, but there's nothing that could really break. I think it's a short, but let's see. Not going long above here. I think that's going to be too risky. Yeah, for now I'm just going to hold and hold weekend. The risk is too crazy. It could actually be a good short here maybe. Let's see here if this could be a potential short position. I'm going to short the market here to see if this could be a potential short. Yeah, that was a good one, little quick one. Yeah, you might not be able to manage this one. If you're thinking this is going too quick and you think, oh, this is insane and this is amazing, because I actually managed to make, I shouldn't even be trading today, but I still managed to make $500. I know it's nothing, but the market been doing nothing. It opens here, it's been trading here, it's doing nothing, but still managed to make 500 doing nothing. So if you want, you can reach out to me and you could join the free copy trading. Is only going to be, it's based on performance fee, okay? So if I make you a lot of money from you copy mirroring my trades, I don't even know if you're going to mirror my trades. I cannot even see it. I cannot even see who is going to mirror my trades or how much you're mirroring me for, but that could be a solution if you do not manage to take these trades. I mean, if it's too quick for you, or like again, I'm just live every single day, morning and New York time, and I'm scalping and I'm looking for a setup. I'm having an opening range breakout where it should break above, it should break below, but it did not. So for you to have more cash flow and for you to make more money, to copy things could be a good idea. Why? Then you manage to make some money while the market is trading sideways. And when we have very, very big breaks and momentums, then of course you're making much more from the live trading, but it depends. You could reach out to me and then you could, I'm happy to go over exactly that. But sideways market, then I'm just scalping with the copy account. And here on the live trading, on the live account here, that we turned from 20K to 100K, that's just waiting for breakouts. I've been today scalping a little bit here, making some small money, but better than nothing. So it's over 40 minutes now and we have no progress. We already got news, so I'm just gonna call it, and there's no reason. There's no break above here. There's no break above today's highs, and there's no break above 500, and there's no break below 300. So I allowed myself to hold the weekend and not trade more, and yeah, it was a very great week. I'll see you Monday.